Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ensure powder drink. First, ensure you have your Ensure powder, a glass, and exactly 8 fluid ounces of cold water ready. Begin by pouring the 8 fluid ounces of cold water into your glass. Then, carefully add the recommended amount of Ensure powder, which is typically 2/3 of a cup, directly into the water. Now it's time to mix. Take a spoon and stir the powder and water together vigorously for about 30 seconds. You want to ensure there are no dry clumps. For an even smoother consistency, consider using a shaker bottle or an electric blender. Keep mixing until the powder is completely dissolved and the drink is perfectly smooth. Your Ensure drink is now ready to enjoy. For the best taste, serve it immediately after mixing. If you prefer a colder beverage, simply add a few ice cubes to your glass. You can also customize your drink by blending it with about 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit, such as berries, for an extra burst of flavor and nutrients. If you have any leftover Ensure, make sure to store it properly. Place any unused prepared drink in the refrigerator and consume it within 24 hours for optimal freshness and safety. After 24 hours, it's best to discard any remaining portion. And speaking of freshness, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.